Kofi ehin na meko say your president asra Germany ukonia online edaho president appeal to Germany say Germany encourage China na China your debt restructuring yes say ka bebrebe a abeguru ye komo no Germany enhye China nkran na ontetete dia mebi so na China ntiase say ye kan hyehyɛ ya ye yo no China did the ho bagim said the be ya IMF betimi ama yensika
and the possibility ni ho because kojo menu bi nyina di ade answer say IMF and China
la ila
you don't expect China to say yes
exactly
to IMF conditionalities
the atiane say na senka your president tiase say akwana otu galam say wo mamu a wo say wo man no sa won ko ye debt restructuring na wo kwa kobu nkotodwe kuta asrewa e kwa kosre na what it means is that China phone kwaso say yensu and say asase and say ye kwaye and say ye koko na Ghana ntete mpasem huri mo hon say
and that is why ebra Ghana nyina eche China ni abaye ye ne yesade na tumi
dabi eyalo
no meba na a whole minister our advice to the president the senior advisor not just advisor keke a senior advisor beka say ye jai no because Ghana and China our relationship aye this count come koma say ye chino ne de nitum a emfa so bia emagana all because of
some headset
okay sister
so on check aba
this is okay
edem Kofi here say Matisa Crawford ka finance minister kabi Bank of Ghana kabi say Ghana ye ka ye de no to GDP ye ka GDP ya Ghana for enya de kakra kabi ya meni Kofi mienu ye boa ye som ye japade a ye wom ye kani na bomu a eye 100 Ghana 1 million and the GDP sa GDP na ye ka ho asem no finance minister any Bank of Ghana say ye japade a ye wo any ye nsika ye wo no ni bebrebe ni nyina no kasi ani a 100 Ghana no e ka ye de 93 Ghana cedis. But I am daring the finance minister. I told you go on Onuya online. It is there now on your TV. Those of you on Facebook, those of you on TV, you will see it. It is now sitting right there. And you see, that restructuring, Akufo-Addo begs Germany to talk to China on Ghana's behalf. This is an insult to even the 30 years to be born children of this country. Kofi, they are saying 93.5%. I am daring the finance minister and I am daring the Bank of Ghana. Ghana ye ka ye dear ye chum ye GDP. A catchy dia ya batu hono a ye 130%. I am saying it. And if the Bank of Ghana say they should come and sit here, I will meet them here and we'll put the entire value of Ghana. Any loans are buying way aji, any sika aqua buying way some together, and then we will all appreciate the fact to say Ghana were negative. That is why IMF say a buying way a kana yadiani no omianani
non famra.
On family from Amedu between 45 and 50%. I am telling you on authority. Bank of Ghana and the IMF are Finance Ministry let's say by the mid of March they are hoping.
So meet me.
Mid of March they are hoping. As you call kindergarten, no. Yet no black sheep. Have you any woo? Yes, sir, master. 3 bags to 1 for the master, 1 for the dean, 1 for the little boy who lives. That's what they're doing to us.
Obia Onyante, why Nana Addo is calling Germany? Say or intervening with China no, very dangerous because with him, China our record say omoma obusia. Na de esa wo de ye esono wantua omo mfa ho.
And some of the Zambia. Yes. A whole broadcast to say Ghana GBC.
Yes.
Zambia for
airport of Botswana They were
Imagine.
managing it. Ethiopia, they had a challenge with them. In fact, in 2019, a vice president called China. Near announcement where Ghana has said Kumasi in answer lie. Because vice president acquired you over 1.6 billion cedis, US dollars a day back. Now you exchange your box site. And this is the same box site. And another no more boss. You did two just say Ibrahim Mahama. John Dramani Mahama told the Armenia. I want you to hint in the Yajin Yama China say, yeah, ba near Baba Yena Ghana Didi, I'm Yenya's Kefrim. Or $2 billion US dollars.
I am telling you today, and the people of Ghana, 2 billion no ama, $400 million. And Ghana. That box site at China for to know $10 billion. And only another day discussion.